Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth connection issues on your Motorola Razr Fold. First of all, before trying to pair a new Bluetooth device with your smartphone, make sure not only to turn it on, but also enter the pairing mode. So make sure that the LED indicator on your Bluetooth device is blinking rapidly. How to achieve this effect, if you want to learn how to achieve this effect, you should check the manual to your Bluetooth device. And once you are in the pairing mode, you have to swipe down the control center on your smartphone, go to settings, select connected devices, pair a new device, find your Bluetooth device on the list and select it here. And then tap pair. If you weren't able to see your Bluetooth device before pairing it, swipe down the control center, disable your Bluetooth, enable the airplane mode for about 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, disable it and re-enable Bluetooth. This will fully reset your Bluetooth connections, and you'll be able to pair with your device. If it didn't work as well, then to pair your device, first try restarting your smartphone. Press power button and volume up key at the same time, and select restart on your screen. Now, once your device is restarted, also give it some time, some seconds to relaunch, and then try pairing your Bluetooth device once again. And also, if you are already paired with your Bluetooth device, but you cannot reconnect to it, you're gonna have to open settings on your smartphone, go to connected devices, tap the gear icon next to your Bluetooth device and select forget. Then after forgetting it, make sure to re-enable pairing mode on your Bluetooth device, tap pair new device and reselect your Bluetooth device once again. Like this. And if nothing I showed you in this video worked for you, try the last resort option of going to system settings, selecting reset options, then reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then confirm. After that, go back to connected devices and try reconnecting your Bluetooth device. And if it's still not working for you, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, go to network internet, select Wi-Fi and connect to the available Wi-Fi network. And then try updating the software on your smartphone by going back to settings, scrolling down to system update and checking for available updates. If you have an update installed, then take your time to do that and then restart your smartphone and repair your Bluetooth device. This time everything should be working fine. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.